Hi guys, more Poundland Halloween stock. Got some paper plates. How many have we got? 10 paper plates and 10 paper cups. I've also got some Poundland knitting needles. I think these are Poundland. They're actually plastic. I thought they were aluminium when I originally bought them, but they're plastic. In fact, I've actually managed to break the end of one of them. And then a bit of thick corrugated cardboard. So I'll make a rubber band powered car. This will be the chassis or the body. We need something for axle tubes at the end. See what I've got. And then for wheels, my plan is to use these. Now, on their own, they'll be too small. They'll just spin. They won't have enough grip. Whereas if I use a couple of these plates, well, I say couple, 4 of these plates, stick that in the middle of the plate, glue it in there. I don't know what glue will stick to these. Quite often these have got a layer of wax of some sort to seal the surface, to stop the water soaking in when you're drinking from the cup. So I can either rough that up with a bit of sandpaper or something like that so that the glue will stick. The back of the plate's probably all right, but I expect that side of the plate will be treated in the same way. Yeah, something like that. Glue that onto there. And we've got big wheels. They won't be particularly strong, but they don't need to be particularly strong for just running up and down the kitchen. Getting that centered might be a bit of a challenge. I think we could just do it by eye. Get the same size gap around there between that circle and the lip. Stick a hole in the middle. Poke that through. Hopefully we can get 2 of these on there and the width of the body. Yeah, I think we can just about do it. Just go wide angle so you can see what I'm talking about. We need to be able to get that on there and another one on top, so it needs to be long enough to go all the way through. So that's what I'll do. I will stick that on there, whether I glue it, what sort of glue. I might use hot glue, or I might try super glue. If I use super glue, I'll definitely have to roughen the surface up so that the glue will take. Well, that's the first attempt. Just done by eye, judging the center, which is never going to be a good result, but that actually looks remarkably close to central. I doubt whether I'll get all 4 of them that good. Then I'll need to make the holes bigger. I used a spike to make the first hole and then widened it up with the screwdriver, and then we'll widen it up a bit more like that. I did use super glue. I roughened up around the lip with a bit of sandpaper so that the glue would take hold. Right, I'll do 3 more. There's our wheels on the knitting needle axles. We need to connect them onto the end of the bit of cardboard I got here. Nice thick corrugated cardboard. I was going to fold some card around to put some holes through, but I got lazy, I'm afraid, and I 3D printed myself some axle brackets, whatever you want to call them. So I'll glue those on there. And that should do the job. So I'll super glue them on. So they're glued in place. Don't know how strong those will be. We'll find out. I've pushed a hole through there so I can put rubber bands through. And get it through the hole. Okay. Right, axles. Make sure we leave a little bit of a gap. Okay, I think I'll put some glue on there anyway, just to hold them together. And I'll do the same at the other end. For no particularly good reason, I just stuck one of my Grandad's on there. So, over the back axle, wrap it round so it goes over itself, and that holds it in place. I don't expect we need to wind it up too much. That works. See if we can hit the camera. Job done. Poundland Halloween, paper plates and cups, rubber band powered car. With an extra bit of cardboard for the body or chassis. And I did cheat, I did 3D print the axle bearings, brackets, whatever you want to call them. But we could have just bent that out of other bits of cardboard. Job done. Said that before, didn't I?